Attraction is one of a key role among human, even in every creation on earth. Attraction rules relationship. And one of the major important things is self-discovery. Lack of self-discovery will hinder you from understanding why you're attracted to the people you're attracted to. Even though you have discovered yourself, ego and pride can obstruct you. So this is a reality. Your first approach to attraction is greeting mate. Once you're attracted to someone, greet the person. Develop a greeting mate. In the process of greeting this person, you will find a common ground to have a conversation, to start having conversation based on your mutual interest you have discovered while greeting each other. And when your conversations are benefiting to your individual dreams, that's when you become friends. Friends are people whose conversation benefit each other.